Valentine is around the corner and it's just a couple of days away. Millions of people across the globe are super passionate about this day, which is why I'm going to show you how to make money with this audience. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first thing you want to do is picking an offer. And that is why you want to head over to offervault.com. All you need to do is to go over to the search section and look for Valentine offers. As you can see, this offer right here is a Valentine offer and it's going to pay you $27. All right, as you can see, this offer is worldwide, which means you can get traffic from any country and you'll be making $27 per conversion. Okay, all you need to do is to select any offer right here and sign up to the affiliate network, and you are going to have access to your affiliate link. However, most of these platforms can be difficult to get approved if you are a beginner. So that is why you can check out other platforms like CPAlead.com, which pretty much accepts everyone. So once you come over to CPAlead.com, all you need to do is to click on the sign up button and you will be able to create an account right away. So once you create an account, your dashboard is going to look like this, and you want to basically scroll down to where it says search, and you want to search for Valentine offers available on CPA Lead. So once you search for Valentine, as you can see, this offer is available on CPA Lead right here. So if I click on this offer, as you can see, this offer is going to pay 95 cents for everyone who submits their email address to this offer. All right. So if you scroll down, you are going to see that the offer has already even given you a creative that you can use to promote the offer. So you can simply right click and save this creative to your device. So once you do that, the next step is to create a very simple landing page like this. As you can see, this is a very simple one-page landing page that once people come over to this page, all they need to do is to click on claim now, and it's going to take them to that offer. And once they complete the offer, you make money. So you can use any landing page builder of your choice to create this landing page. So while creating your landing page, make sure your landing page is very simple and straight to the point. As you can see, this one, win 750 worth of Valentine gifts. And as you can see, this is an image creative provided to you by the advertiser of this offer. And you can write a captivating text like this, celebrating the season of love in style. Right, and you can add a simple button like this. Right, so this is a very simple landing page that takes like 2 minutes to create. Once you do this, then the next step is to go over to writetag.com. So once you come over to this platform, all you simply need to do here is to type in the Valentine keyword in this box. Once you type in that keyword, you are going to see a lot of hashtags and how many views they are getting per hour on Twitter or X. Okay, you can see this Valentine Day is getting over 1,000 views every single hour. You can see keyword like love, February, gift. All right, so these are keywords related to this niche, and this is what we are going to be using to drive traffic to this offer. So all you need to do from here is to copy these hashtags and paste them in a notepad, as we are going to be using them later on. So you want to come over to Chat GPT, and once you come over here, all you simply need to do is to type in something like give me 100 romantic Valentine tweets. All right, and you want to click on send. And once Chat GPT generates the tweets for you, all you just need to do is to copy these tweets, and you want to then go over to X or Twitter.com and create an account. So once you create an account, all you simply need to do is to come over to the post section. So once you paste in the tweet from Chat GPT, you want to make sure to add a call to action like this: get $750 worth of Valentine gift. And this is where you want to paste in your landing page. Okay, and once you do this, you want to also make sure to paste in the hashtags you got from writetag.com. You want to also include that in the post as well. And to even make things more captivating, you can add an image of that creative right here. Okay, so once you do this, keep in mind you want to make sure to spread the tweets across the day. Okay, so that your account doesn't look like a spam account. So if you want to post more than 20 to 30 tweets a day, then you want to make sure to create multiple Twitter accounts, and you want to spread these tweets across this account. And also, to get more traffic, since we are promoting a US offer, you want to go over to reddit.com, which is predominantly US traffic. All you then need to do is to come over to the search section and type in keyword like Valentine gift. And once you do that, you want to come over to where it says time, and you want to sort it by by the past 24 hours. So once you do this, you're going to see a lot of questions people are asking regarding Valentine gifts. So this one here is a perfect example. If you click on this person is asking about Valentine gift to give either chocolate or flowers. You can see people are replying this post right here. So all you just simply need to do is to reply this post and you want to link it back to this simple landing page. So this is a very creative way you can use to make money right now with Valentine gifts. All right. You want to make sure to repeat this same strategy for all these posts. You can see this is also another post right here. So all you simply need to do is to reply this post and let people know they can sign up for this Valentine offer